It's raining here today at the Shangri-LA Homestead. Look at how beautiful it is. This is going to be great for all of our plants, especially when we get the crops done. Rains pretty well here. Just look at all that droplets on the lake, on the pond that we have here. And here's some of the plants we're growing. We've got a citronella here on the table. And citronella is helping us keep the mosquitoes away. We've got a much bigger one out in the yard that we're going to split up. And here we've got some lamb's ear growing. So, welcome to Shangri-La, Louisiana. We hope to see you here soon.